Welcome back. So you are looking to grab a Hostinger plan and you want the best possible deal. You've come to exactly the right place. I've seen so many people settle for a 10% coupon they found somewhere online and I totally get it. But today I'm going to show you how to get a whopping 20% discount instead. And the coolest thing is it applies automatically. You don't even have to type in a single code. I've put together a special link down in the description that works across all countries, showing prices in your local currency too, which is super handy. Just tap that link and you'll land right on Hostinger's official website ready to go. From there, just click on products and services in the top navigation bar. You'll see a whole range of options: cloud hosting, web hosting, the website builder, and business email. For today's walkthrough, I am focusing on VPS hosting because it's one of the most popular choices and I want to show you exactly how the discount works there. You'll see the different VPS plans laid out: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm picking the KVM2 plan for this demo and the moment I head to checkout, there it is, 20% off already applied. It's honestly that simple. Oh, and a little pro tip: use a new email address that you haven't signed up to Hostinger with before. This just makes sure everything goes through without a hitch. Alright, if this video saved you some money, show some love by liking and subscribing. It helps more than you know, and I'll catch you in the next video.